Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's John Mooneyham, Keller Williams Southline Partners Realty Team. We're here today with Clayton Jones, attorney at law. What got you into practicing law in the first place?
Well, my name's Clayton Jones. I've got a law office over here in Raymore, Missouri. I practice the Kansas City metro area and throughout the state of Missouri. My dad was a highway patrolman and then he was a sheriff. One of the things that was emphasized was the arrest. The investigation of the arrest was only part of it. The other part of it was going to court and the legal proceedings. That's where I decided to focus my emphasis on my education.
What's the normal clientele that you focus on?
Well, we primarily focus on individuals that have been hurt in accidents or been damaged by somebody's negligence. You know, we understand that these are a lot of times people's first interaction with an attorney, and it's a stressful situation, so we try to make the situation as least stressful as possible. When you're in an accident, your attorney should advocate for your best interests and to make sure that you receive recovery for the damages that you have been subject to.
And Clayton, how long have you been doing law practice?
I've been practicing since 2003. I worked for the prosecutor's office for several years, helping individuals that are victims of crimes. After that, I opened up my own private practice and started helping individuals on a civil side on a more individualistic basis. To enter the law profession has a very high barrier of entry. You got to go to law school for 7 years, then you have to be licensed in the state and pass the Missouri State Bar. When I was a prosecutor, I learned my way around the courtroom, but it didn't teach me anything about business. So whenever I opened up my own business, probably the most difficult thing was learning about like employees and payroll and taxes and things of that nature, things that you wouldn't know unless you're a business owner.
But that's also helped you because you also can represent small business, correct?
Sure. Well, I really enjoy being in the courtroom, putting on evidence in individuals' cases. It's an adversarial process and it requires a lot of strategy and focus.
What's some of the most exciting things you've been a part of?
Well, recently we've helped over 200,000 farmers get recovery for damages for their equipment through a couple class actions that were nationwide. They were pretty high profile at the time, and some of those were the highest payouts on claims in the state of Missouri.
Your business is also in the business of investing in the community and putting sponsorships out there and that kind of thing. Tell us a little bit about that.
We support a lot of the local youth sporting events. We coach a baseball team over in Pleasant Hill. On top of that, I also serve as a municipal prosecutor in Peculiar and the municipal judge over in Lake Winnebago. I also serve as a special prosecutor at times for Bates County and Cass County.
If anybody wants to get a hold of you, they can find you where?
My website's ClaytonJonesLaw.com, or my phone number is 816-318-4266.
And you guys are located right here on the curve at Foxwood Drive in Raymore, Missouri, right?
That's right.
Thanks, Clayton, for having us out.
Yep.
Appreciate all you do. And thanks for all you do in the community as well.
Thank you.
So, thank you, everybody.